We are now entering the Strait of Hormuz, constantly looking for enemy fire. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, people. The engines have just cut out. Uh-oh, they're spooling down. That's very depressing. Uh, can we get over to this island? What is this over here? 3% engine power. Why is there always an issue? Oh, look, there's a runway. Nothing is working. Alright, well, it's very peaceful up here before the impending crash. Ironically, we're going too fast and we're too high. How the hell did we get over here so fast? Usually I like plummet to the earth. Oh yeah, that looks like a runway. Alright. It was a nice flight up to the engines cutting out. Oh, we're way too high. I mean, do I have... Oh my lord. Yep. Well, for once I actually make it to the runway. That's shocking right there in itself. Oh. Alright, people. This will be the end of the video. Holy crap. Oh, look. The bucking pony. Oh, we're going right into the water. Oh, just get on the ground. Oh, we're gonna touch. Oh!